Why is it so dark? Alright, welcome guys. If it's the first time that you come across my channel, my name is Juliana, and today I'll be taking down these things, redusting. I just finished a live stream over on my next channel when I rearrange my clothes. Yes guys, so all of this contain my clothes. So I just rearrange them. Let me show you something. See, the drawer can hear both the draw out properly. Let me show you something. What is going to share some of them? Let me take out there. Alright, so see, just rearrange the drawer. That's one morning. Just finished a live stream. See, so these are all tops. Top. I have tops in here and dress. Few shorts. So I have pants, shorts, and joggers in this. So most of them are all brand new stuff, guys. All brand new stuff. So I change up around my room. So whoa. So I move my bed and change up. So I put my husband's shoes underneath there. And I have the products on that I've been selling, like my shower gel, my body wash. Yes, guys, all different flavor. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead, guys. That's something when me catch this pan, you know. And I know what happened. I really don't know what's wrong with it, but when I get adjust this from it. So first, the TV plug out already. So wait, and ensure that I move it out of the way. Want it to be out of the way because I don't want to cause any problems. It was just like a few weeks ago, same, not few weeks, last week I did the dusting and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna redust everything and move things around. Welcome everyone, welcome. Welcome guys, welcome. So I have my body scrubs, which is a must. There I must have. Welcome everyone. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, like up the stream guys. Also subscribe to the channel. Help me to grow the channel guys. Alright, so this is the hydrogen peroxide, which is a must have. My shampoo. Guys, we save silver in a but I don't like to save the $1. I don't like saving them. So my Vaseline. So Perlene Vaseline I use to grease my tattoo. Welcome, welcome. All these are cologne, guys. You can't say you're a hot girl and don't smell good. You have to have your cologne. Two same fragrance. Men are not hot girl, you know, but high holder scent. That smell good. You have to smell really good. Like that. So I fold up the clothes I'm in the drawer this morning. I think this morning, like few seconds ago, I finished because I was doing a live stream on the other channel. So now it's time for me to do a live stream over on this platform. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Like and share the stream out, guys. Give me a minute. Give me just a minute. Let me drink some water. I have to stay hydrated, guys. Diane, welcome. How you doing? So today I'm just doing a little dusting and folding the stuff. I just finished folding the clothes. I did that on my next. I need to get some cleaning under A2. Yay! It's the best time to clean. I don't know, I like clean, especially if I don't get to clean everything on a Sunday, because you know Sunday they come like the work pile up for some reason. Sorry, like on Sundays it take a lot out of you. So I'm just dusting the columns and putting them. I think I should just keep it in a line. Yeah. So what I'm gonna be doing also. Welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone, welcome. You know me? Where you know me from? There. You know me? Welcome guys, welcome, welcome. Guys, if it's the first time that you come across my channel, welcome and thanks to all the returning viewers and subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So I'm just ensuring that I will have like what? Share the same type of cologne. When it comes to cologne and food, I don't play when it comes to cologne and food. So that's two. And this is the third one. Guys. So that's it. Welcome everyone, welcome. So I'm gonna have like two of the VIP gold plate. I'm like two of that, so I'm gonna put that there. And so this is the next one. And then like two of the same. So I'm mostly like, just like with that, when I'm buying like clothes and stuff like that, I tend to get like two of the same thing. I think I like two same thing. No, no one. Hold on, because I really want to spread out in something here, so you know. Let's see if I have more longer one. One try to see if I can. Yeah. Because when we repack these stuff, I tend not to have space. Supreme Sport, I haven't tried this one as yet. Haven't tried that one. Newport, I don't think I've used this before, but smells good. The Cobra cologne smells really good. When I say really good, it smells really good. So I have like two different. Welcome guys, if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome. Like up the stream guys, also go ahead subscribe to the channel. So this is another Cobra. Hold on. So this and that. So that there. because these ones more taller. So I'm trying to put everything neat as possible. Because sometimes when I pull up the place, I tend to put it back as only would I fix it. This minute I have it this way. So deep in the blue intense. I haven't tried this one. I've never worn this cologne before. And Valiant Men. I haven't tried that. So these are some brands that I really need to test out. Kind of welcome guys, welcome. So you see how much color one? Right. Haven't worn this one before. Black Touch collection. Smell good. You can smell it through the box. Alright, I don't want so much of these things out to the front. Don't so much to the front. Let's stay at the back. Something there one on it. Because guys, this is when it comes to me fixing stuff, I tend to run out of space. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to just put some of these stuff here, right there. Yeah. Perfect. Alright. So that looks a bit better. Welcome everyone, welcome. Like and share the stream out. So I'm just gonna put like my shampoo and conditioner. These are the type of shampoo and conditioner that I love, the VO5. Trust me, it wash my locks good and it leave my locks smelling really good. Right. This is a hair dye. Welcome. I thought I had a lot of cologne. You you have a business selling cologne. No, I what I have a business that sell cologne, but these are for my yard purpose. Anything that you see goes here for my yard purpose. Cause I like smelling good. I obsess when it goes about smell. I like smell good. I like smell fresh. But let me show you the things that I currently have selling. Oh, so I forgot to take down the phone. I have a sell. Why is it? All right, let me show you. So, oh god, the cologne gone. So these are the big shower body wash. These are the small shower gel that I have selling, and I have the lotion for them as well. So these are my small business, and I also sell clothes as well. Cologne finish. So these ones I need to get some other spray, some other lotion and stuff. 'Cause you know every day new fragrance come out and stuff. But these ones, my yard purpose. Because when I'm going out, I like to smell good and refresh. Alright. So these are my body scrubs. So these ones, I have them in body scrub is coconut and lime, and this is cherry blossom. And I've also in lavender and vanilla sugar. Thank you so much. So, but out of all of them, you see the vanilla and the sugar body scrub, good. It's good for your skin. Um, the cherry blossom, it's good as well. But you need to have like exfoliating gloves when you're using these on your skin. The exfoliating gloves, it works sign and wonders to scrub your skin. But the boss is the cherry blossom. Cherry blossom is good. I tell you guys, invest in body scrubs. And the coconut, this one almost finished. This is off. Let me see what's helpful review. Yeah, you can use lotion. But this one, good. Alright, the one I may use and put it up front. I like to use my exfoliating gloves when I'm using them. Alright, now when it comes to lotion, these are the two types of lotion I use. My skin is sensitive. My skin is very sensitive, you know. Sensitive body. Alright, these are my lotion. So I'm just gonna put, you know what? I'm gonna put these here. I use the Storm Chaser, and I use these rose petals, and I also use the cucumber and melon. Cucumber melon, the best. Put that. Bar soap, all right. What I like to use, all right, when we use the Dove, it not really irritate my skin, but I tend to use like the turmeric soap or shower gel. Use the Dove shower gel, or you can buy the, what's it called again? My one finished now, so I don't even remember the name of it. But I have this. You have to be careful the type of shower gel you use too, especially on sensitive area. Welcome, welcome, guys. It's like when you have sensitive skin. What I do, I tip a little Dettol in my water when I'm gonna bathe. You have some lovely products. I buy them on sale. Most of the stuff I buy on sale, like for my personal usage. As I say, my love smell good. I like buy stuff because I just like spend. That's basically it. I like spend. Alright. What I used to grease my hair now. Oh, I forgot. I forgot something I put up there. So I tend to like to buy stuff in sets. So if I'm gonna use like a Storm Chaser lotion, I buy the Storm Chaser body spray. That's how I like to buy my products. But girl need to go and get some more stuff. Uh, I don't use shower gel. You know shower gel like the Dove one in the minute, they have them in a different. You have some for sensitive skin. You have to read the label when you purchase stuff. You have to read the label. My hydrogen peroxide, which is a must. Alright. I use the Blue Magic hair food in my hair. That's what I use. Carton. I hear somebody have this. Nothing gonna somebody have, you know. Alright. I have a little bean, a bit of alcohol back in this. I'm not sure about because I don't know when I might need it. Alright, for pain rub, I have the Bengay. Yeah, for pain rub. Cause worse when you have your hand in a hot and cold. How does the hair food? Alright, it works good. So this, you just wash your hair, grease your hair with it, and that's it. It having coconut oil in it. It helps strengthen and prevent the hair from break. And it also have wheat germ oil in it, which is consists of vitamin E and also have lemon in it. It works good for your hair because trust me, my hair was shorter than this. My locks was really short, and since I started using it on my locks growing. I don't have any breakage in my locks because when I just started locking my hair, I had so many breakage, especially in the front section of my hair. No, I'm getting back my edges. See, this is my edges. See how tall that be? See, my edges coming right back. And let me tell you how much for this. Only $1,030. Only $1,030, and it's good. It's really good. Trust me, you definitely love it. I don't know who still use big like powder, but I tend to have powder. Same way. Alright. I hope everything can hold back in because alright, I have the Perlene baby oil, baby Vaseline. I use this for my tattoo to grease my tattoo and my lip. I like apply it to my lips. Guys, the TV could go back up there. Yeah, my locks is healthy, and I like my hair myself. I did my locks myself. It do for it's soon do for get a real lock now, but you see with my locks now, alright, the type of hair that I have, some part of my hair is really soft and some part is not so soft. I think I have like three texture of hair. So my hair really easily pull up, especially the you see this section, the front section, easily pull up. It's the middle part, that part coarse. When I say really coarse, and then the back part soft, soft, soft. Easily pull out more than the front. I don't know. I don't know what type of hair I should call that type of hair because it's too funny. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thumbs up the stream, guys, as you come on in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload it. Alright. Let's put up back this now, but not even sure if this thing can hold up the back, you know. But if I have to move back stuff around for it to hold, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let me just it off. And I don't know, guys, I bought this TV, right? Few months ago, and I don't know why they take out the stand out of it because it's supposed to go up on the wall. So I have to buy a different stand because them take out the stand because normally we don't come with a stand and stuff, and then take it out and you let them selling them differently or what. But you know, with Jamaica, everybody a general. Okay, so that's it. So me use so the TV actually I hide the cologne them and stuff. I think we need to TV I hide them too much. You better when they hide them too, you know, because nobody won't come and ask me for nothing. And nobody won't come say them a beg me little lotion and then something. That's how it's gonna stay good. Good for you. Locks are very expensive here in the US. Can cost a arm and a leg. Wow, seriously? Let me tell you. Is it true I really like people in my hair? I start combing my hair from myself from I was 11 years old. I start doing my own hair. I can sew my own hair. I'm gonna come on here. I don't know if it's gonna be on this channel or my next channel, but I definitely will be showing you guys how I braid my locks. So I'm gonna be braiding my locks. I install wig on my hair myself, but I'm gonna take the time to do a live stream. I think it's more better doing a live stream than a video. I'm gonna be doing a live stream braiding my locks and show you how easy it is. It's very easy. And most of the stuff that I do, I am not looking in any mirror or anything at all. I just use my hand and I feel and part and do what I gotta do. And I've never made any mistake so far. I haven't made any mistake. Alright, this not look bad. Guys, when I say I move up the room, I move up everything. My bed, I put my bed at different place. I put I need to order some more I need to get some more of these. I was looking at some of them on Shein, so I need to get some. My sister-in-law gave me these, but I'm gonna look some on Shein. So I'm gonna have something in a machine chart card for check out. To check out the cart. Hopefully by weekend because me still a lot more stuff. I don't want to do like two shopping and stuff like that. But just want to do one shopping. So every product that I'm gonna be purchasing, I would want it to come like the same day. I mean, same time, not same day, same time. Than me have to be constantly going back to the shipping agency every minute to go collect a different packages. I don't like that. Because if I don't have to go on the road, guys, trust me, I don't go on the road if I don't have to. Only when like I go on the road is if I'm gonna sell, because I don't have a shop, and because I don't have a shop, I have to walk with my products and sell. Put them in a knapsack. I have them in a one little carton box. I'm gonna go sell my stuff. But what I am gonna do, like for persons that live overseas and you want products, whatever type of products you want out here that I have that I sell, and you want it, you just link me and I ship it to you. So that's the type of service I'm thinking about going into. But I need to print a business card. These are my thumb drives that store my most valuable stuff, like videos that I record and stuff that I edit. So when I don't want to put them up same time, I put them there. And thumb drive. A TV remote. There you go. So this is for the ring light. And this one is for the TV. But it will stay by side by side. And every old soul should have a New Testament Bible. Every old soul should have one. A Bible in your house is very important, because a scripture a day keep the devil away. So my NCB fab card with my key, my hair ties, and pen. I have to have a pen because guess what? When I'm going out, I don't like borrowing anything from anybody at all. So I like to have my own pen and stuff like that. Okay, so that's it. My finish quick. I didn't even catch an hour. No, I done quick today. I'm not lie. Alright, so let me. Alright, I don't want no more that you. Guys, I have the double mint to the double melt. I have the double mint and we have the free gel. The free gel is a must, because especially because I have sinus and every little thing trigger off my sinus. Even just in these things trigger off my sinus. So let me show you. All right. So I'm gonna need to repaint the wall. I paint the wall myself when I'm painting. So what I need to do, I need to get like a wire, one of those wire brush where I can scrape off the wall, because I don't know what's happening to the wall. There, you can see like water soak from somewhere. I don't know. So I need to get somebody to go up on the top. But these little lights, I bought these downtown. My little ball, stuff like that. I like having decorations. And all right, This is what I do. Just finished. Okay. And give you guys a closer look. So my colognes, my lotion, my body scrub. So the body scrub, we have them in the lavender, we have the coconut, and we have the vanilla sugar. See the vanilla sugar. But the coconut and the lime is the best one, I think. So this morning I fold the clothes. I took everything. I rearranged the bed because the bed was turning like sideways here. So I turn around the bed. So that's my laptop there charging and stuff. It's see, it's full of beer line like I don't know what. So I put some things in my Shein cart. Sorry guys, I put some things in, some decoration stuff that I'm gonna be ordering because my anniversary is coming up soon. So I need to get me some decoration stuff so I can decorate my room, decorate my bedroom. So I'm gonna be putting a picture frame over my bed with me and my husband, and I need to get like a welcome sign to put up, so when persons come in, that's the first thing that they will greet, the picture with me and my husband. And that is a must. So this is our matrimonial bedroom, and the bed needs to change. So I need to get a nice covering bed head. But you know the funniest thing, because I'm not from Kingston, so me not really know no furniture man over here will make us say, all right, make a pay you for make a bed head for me and stuff like that. Me not know nobody over here like that, because I'm not originally from here. But I think me have to go check Mr. Chin for one of them bed head there, because I need to have a bed head. Mr. Guys, that you are talking now. Most of the things that I used to come on YouTube and show, but not gonna really come on YouTube can show much stuff, because you have some people where when they like you, but them follow everything what you do, and them watch you so hard more than anybody else. People when I like you. You need to get that extension card as well. Alright. We need to get I think by weekend, we need to get the something there. We need to get the stand where if I put it up on the wall. Guys, me for had me actually a paper on a bigger TV, so I never really want to put up this yet. But I'm gonna put it up, and then when the bigger one come, we can just always adjust it. I'm just waiting on my YouTube cash to pay for it. Because what I do, like when I get my YouTube money, I buy what I want. Yeah. I like my little TV, my little comfort is a must. My husband I watch TV, you know, my husband is a Rasta. So even not really full on TV, but I have to buy a TV and I have to buy a big sound box. Because I like music. Yeah, so when I watch like TV and I play like certain music, my bucket eye. Hold on there, guys. See box here, guys. See box here. See that big? Okay. That one here, I buy this for my husband. Because him like playing music too, So it has light on it. So when you turn it on, it light up and it metal say you don't think any dance I keep when it turn on. So we are a team. I spend with my husband and stuff like that. I'm not the type of girl who go run down a man, or if a man not have something can buy me. Cause them woman here, they don't want to work, Some of them don't want to work. Then sit down and then think say, a man I do everything for a woman. No me. So even if a man left, if me and a man left, him can't say I was a burden to him. Nobody can never say me is a burden to them. You understand? Let me catch this back here so I can go play some music later on. Anything I want, I ensure that I have. Alright, me and my husband, I have a business that I give to him. And so we have our separate business. We save our money separately. Okay? So whatever I want, I can always go to buy. I'm gonna have to say, oh B, I'm gonna buy this or I'm gonna buy that. No. I don't have to seek permission because I have my own money. He has his own money. We do things 50-50, let's say. So I am responsible. The internet, me putting the internet, so the internet belongs to me. So I pay my home bill. I use my credit card to pay my bill, and then I ensure that I have money on my account to pay my bills whenever it comes. Okay? I'm talking about bills tomorrow. My internet bill need to pay as well. So little later, I go walk up on the road. I'm going to pay my internet bill, and that should be it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So, all right, we're going to start the exercise because I'm try to lose some weight. Because girl like too much weight on her. It don't fit me. Too much weight don't fit me. So, I rather to stay slim. Because when I have on the bag of weight, it give me too much problem. Because summer walk is like make it easy tired. Anyway, guys, when I'm gonna do my exercise, I will definitely come live. Don't know which day I'm gonna do the exercise, but I need to go to the gym to find out how much it costs and stuff like that. I think I may do that tomorrow. I see a gym in Linstead area that I need to go and check that one out and find out what's the cost. But first, I have to ask my husband if it costs. But I think he might go want me go no gym. Cause I always tell myself to go put on sneakers and go walk. Cause through the year everything that take place at the gym. So and him no one nobody behind me, which when I rang him still because some things when we see take place at when we see take place are here so take place at the gym. When I rang him. But anyway, guys, see you in the next video or in the next live stream. Love you all. Bye. It was a good journey with you guys. So, girl, I gotta play some music. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the fish, scale the fish, and season it up. So when it catch about 2 o'clock, I'm gonna start cook. I may come live when I'm gonna start cook over on this platform. If I don't come on this platform, I go on my main platform, which is Vibes with Sexy Juliana. So over on Vibes with Sexy Juliana, that's where I mostly post a video, like every single day, a video post over there. And once in a while we will really post over here, but I'm trying to work both channels. But love you all. Bye. Wife a wife. Meet a meet.